Yeah, I know Jamaicans struggle with the H.
Oh!
Welcome back to my channel. I'm about to do an unboxing video of everything I bought from Black Friday. So it's gonna be a Black Friday unboxing. I have everybody over here, but I'm not gonna take out everything because, well, I guess it depends, whatever, when this video is posted, because I have some Christmas gifts with these purchases, so can't show everything yet. But I guess, like I said, it depends on when this video is posted. I'm gonna set this up and we're gonna get started with the video. Welcome people, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to do an unboxing for everything that I bought Black Friday. Some of them took so long to come. Some of them came quick, but some took a minute to come. So yeah, this video gonna be up real late. I'm gonna unbox this MACY'S. I think I got some sheets. There was some sheets. Just feel like sheets. Yeah, so this is some sheets I got from MACY'S. I'm gonna put the price on the screen. I mean, y'all won't get the Black Friday price anymore, but you know, at least y'all still have an idea of how much it will be next time around, or just to get it if you want to get it, just cause. So this is this is a Martha Stewart collection microfiber sheet set. I mean, microfiber. So yeah, I got it. I forgot how much it was, but like I said, oh, receipt right here attached. The receipt is attached, which is good. Oh, $21. $21 I paid for this, but with taxes like $22.86. You know, microfiber, soft feel, quick dry, wrinkle free. Well, you would have thought me. Well, some of y'all don't know that, but I love to cook, so you would have thought that would be the first thing I got from Martha Stewart is some pots or something. Nope, I got some sheets. Got some sheets. But I'm not taking it out too much right now. Too much to take out right now, but it's a whole, this is a case and it's everything else is in there. But yeah, I'm not taking it out, so. Look, I have a carpet right here to lay it on. Okay, next up, I know I ordered some wigs. Because again, Black Friday, it was on sale. I don't remember how they look, honestly. But then I ordered 2 wigs. Here's the wig. Ooh, I need this for today too. Perfect. Waiting on public stocking cap. And oh, this is a curly wig. Again, I'm gonna put it on the screen, but this is a curly wig that I got from, I think, from Recool. It's from Recool. It's a short, fluffy, curly human hair wig with bangs. It's a glueless wig, and it was $30. So I'm still for $29.99. I've had curly hair, but not the fluffy curly. So you know, I'm curious to see what it's gonna look like when I put it on. Yeah, I think it's another wig. I'm not sure. I don't feel like sneakers. I don't have sneakers. Oh, my sneakers are right there, so that's not it. This is another wig. Yes, it's a wig. Where's from? I forgot where it's from. Okay, this. Oh, Hurela hair. 100% hair. I'm definitely gonna put it on the screen also. I forgot what it looks like. I'm putting this on for Christmas if I get the time. Oh, they gave me some lashes that look crazy. I'm not even putting this on. Taking that hair out of the box. Oh, this is, ooh, I might put this on for Christmas. Or I leave it for the new year. I don't know. But, ooh, I like this. So, I'm putting it on the screen. This is a Hurela. This is a Yo, I cannot say this word for nothing. Yeah, I know Jamaicans struggle with the H.
Oh!
So this is the Hurela reddish brown body waves 13x5 lace front wig, pre-plucked with baby hair. Oh, it's looking like a Christmas or a New Year's wig. Yes, and it comes with some. Oh, it comes with gifts. Oh, is that a mascara? I'll use a mascara. So it comes with lashes. These lashes are too crazy though. Look at this. Definitely give this to somebody because I don't want them. So I like the dramatic effect, but not so long. Like, I don't like it so long. Looks like, yeah, I'm good. It's the headband. That's cute. I've been wanting one of these. I ordered so much wigs and I barely get. It's like, this is my first real one, I'm getting like this material. Like with the headband type of to tie your edges down when you're doing it and stuff, like when you install your wigs. And tie on the baby hair. And you move it down. This is the first one that I got. Like, I ordered so much freaking wigs. Yeah, so this is the headband. You just latch it around and you put it on your head. Yes, thank God. This, ooh, see, this stretch. Love it because I've been wanting one of these. So yeah. So yeah, that's that. Put that down, and then I think this is a mascara. Made in China. That's what it says. They don't say nothing else on here. Is it lipstick? What is this? Oh, it's a makeup brush. Oh, it's a makeup brush. I'm like a mascara. I'm like, wow, it looks so big. This is a makeup brush. I mean, I don't wear makeup like that. Put on a little foundation, some concealer, and that's it. But I'll definitely be using this. Because I've also makeup brushes, I don't know where I put them. I gotta look for them. But this is for me a makeup brush. So with the wig, I got some lashes, makeup brush, and a headband. And I'll definitely be using all except the lashes. Let me see what I got at Amazon, because I don't know what I got from Amazon. I got something from Amazon. I can't tell what I got from Amazon. Oh, so there's some gloves, a headband, another headband, like that. Oh, if I knew I would have been open this bag. This is one of these headband that you'll wear. Oh, and it has fur inside. Yes. It has fur. Oh my God. That's really going to keep your head warm. And your ears. Yes. I like this. I got some touchscreen gloves. If you see, the first 3 fingers are have a little light material on it. It's a little light. That's the touchscreen. That's for the touchscreen. There's some extra gloves. So I have like 3 pair of gloves. It's my 4th pair. So this is JCPenny. My scissors. I got this little cutter. Oh, I mean, I'm going with the JCPenny. Okay, I got a scarf. Yeah, I got this big. Everything I'll post the picture on the screen. Once I have the picture, I'll post it. But this is the color. It's so pretty. I love the color. It's a pretty color. I have a bag this color. I'm gonna wear both of them together. Yeah. Yep. I have my a bag that my best friend got for me for Christmas. All right, what do I got in here? Oh, I got another scarf. One thing about me, I like these colorful scarves. I can't remember the price. I can't remember the prices I paid right now. But again, I will leave the link in the description below or put the price on the screen for all of them. I will definitely do so once I have them. Still, I don't remember if I screenshot everything or, you know, to post them on the screen. But if not, hopefully I can still find the links from my email. That's it for JCPenny. What is this? Yeah, so curly. Oh, this is another wig. So yeah, this is another wig. And I can't remember where I ordered this from. I don't like the fact that they're not putting the freaking bag. Wait, they sent me 2? It's the same one. Oh snap, it's the same wig. Wait. They sent me 2 wigs. They sure did. They sent me 2 wigs though. Natural color, 10 inch. Not them sent me 2 wigs. Yeah. Let's take this one out. Oh, I thought it was a whole Ziploc bag over here. Look at the bag. Child. So they sent me another wig. The same one. It's curly. The same one. They sent me two of the same thing. What? Wow. Let's give it to somebody. Hey, I got a free wig. Why am I complaining? Yeah, look, it's the same thing. Same other wig right here. Same one. It's the same thing and 2 packs of stocking cap, wig caps, 2 wig caps, 2 ear pins, because they sent me 2 wigs instead of 1 that I ordered. So next up is BlushMark. I always see them on Facebook, Instagram, like promoting their stuff, but I've never bought anything from there. So I hope whatever I bought, the size, I don't know how they run, big or small. So I really hope the size fit or I'm gonna be tight, because I bought a cute sweatsuit set. I think it's gray and green. Yeah. And first to go with my Jordans and my bag. Man, I'm gonna be tight if it doesn't fit. I'll put it on the screen because I don't have a picture of it. I definitely have a picture of it, so I'll post it on the screen. And I'm gonna update y'all on the size. I think they had a code where that's how I ended up buying this. Yeah, they had a free code. A code for percentage off, so I end up buying. That's how I end up buying it. So yeah, it's green. I think it has like a bunny or something on the sweatsuit. But I'll post it on the screen. It's gonna be posted on the screen, and the link, if I have the link, will be posted in the description also. So yeah, this is a sweatsuit. Why is this thing so tight? My God, you're struggling to take this thing off. Damn, BlushMark. Oh. All right. Whew. Shut. BlushMark. And yeah, so it's large. I hope it's not too big. I hope it's comfy. Yeah, so it's this. I probably wasn't. Oh, okay. This is good. This is good. This is good size. I bought the right size. I'm so happy. I am so happy I bought the right size. Yes, I bought the right size. The material, I didn't expect it to be like this though. The quality of the material would be more, I don't know, like a bit thicker. But it's thick, but it's just not what I expected. But it's thick though, and it's my size. I want it, it's comfy, so it's my size. It'll fit me. It'll definitely fit. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna wear this to. At least I have something. I have winter clothes, because I know winter gonna be ridiculous. Ridiculous. Oh shit. But it's a size large, by the way. That's a size large. And I said, I'm not bought it from them, so let me try and see. Let me buy something and see how it will fit, and then I'll decide if I want to continue buying from them or not, because they have a lot of nice stuff. They have a lot of cute outfits and cute stuff, so you gotta test it out, right? But one more thing about this, the gray is a bit, it looks like ash gray to me on the picture, but this is not ash gray. It looks like blackish gray, but this looked like just regular gray. The gray that I saw, it looked like when you like washed out gray, if you get what I'm saying, like washed out gray. So I don't know why I got this, but whatever, it's gray, okay. But it's not, because my sneakers is a green and black Jordans. I don't know, don't ask me what number, because I don't know about no Jordans, no numbers, no nothing. Green is my favorite color, so that's the one that I got. I wanted this outfit to go with that, and just blew me off. So these sneakers, I love. New Balances. This will be my second pair of New Balance. Yeah, my second pair. And it's crazy because the one that I have, The new bag that I have is like 2 or 3 shades of green. The first one that I have, the one I have now. I barely wear it. I forgot. Did I wear it in summertime? I doubt I wore it in summertime. But yeah, so some New Balances. Listen. When I saw these, I just felt like I had to get them. Okay, had to get them. I don't want to fall out, but I had to get them. Come on, it's green. If y'all don't know nothing else about me, know that my favorite color is green, and it would be different shades of green. So when I saw these are so cute. Tell me these are not cute. Tell me these are not cute. I love these. So they look like it will fit me though. I like that. But I think it was big kid size. So this is a size 6.5 in US. Yeah, size 6.5 in US. So I was like, I have to get these. And the price, and they had a discount too. They had a percentage off too. And I said, yeah, I'm getting these bad boys. This is my friend. Yeah. So this was on sale also. But I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. Not Macy's, not Sears, not Target. And the thing is, and this is going to sound crazy, I worked at Bed Bath & Beyond twice. Different years, of course, different time periods. But I don't know how, I forgot all about Bed Bath & Beyond. They be having some stuff, okay? Like, I don't care to go to Macy's, but I'll go in Bed Bath & Beyond. So it's a Ninja Twisty High Speed Blender Dual. It does a lot. So it makes smoothie, like the smoothie bowls, like, because that's what I wanted specifically for. So it made a smoothie bowls, smoothies, frozen drinks, like whatever, juices, regular smoothies, whatever. It's a compact size, not too compact, but it's not a big one. It comes with 2 extra cups, a 24-inch and 18-inch. And there's a recipe book inside. It comes with the 34-ounce high-speed pitcher. So the blender cup is 34 ounce. And yeah, I like it. I think it was like one something, and I ended up paying $83 or $84 because they had an extra percentage off too. It was on sale already, and then it had an extra 25%. I think it was like extra 25% off or something like that. I don't remember, but it had an extra with the sale, and I was like, oh, I gotta get this. It's a 1600 watt. It's 1600 watts. So yeah, power speed is good. I can't wait to use this. I'm supposed to be going on a diet. Like a balance, not crazy. I'm going on like a balanced diet where I'm like substituting meals. So yeah, that's why I get one of these, because I could know when I'm gaining too much weight, and I feel it and I see it in my face. So it's time to double back on that and get help. So this is my help, and y'all will see the results. But don't sleep on Bed Bath & Beyond. Bed Bath & Beyond, yeah. I used to work there, the one in Queens and one of them in the city. That's the last one I worked at, in the city. So there's, trust me, they got stuff, okay? I gotta remember to go with the Bed Bath & Beyond. It's just that there's none close to me. I'm about to go all the way to Gateway Mall. That's not really close to me. So yeah. They always have a 20% off. So, you know, you'll always have some kind of discount off, because they always email. Once you sign up with them, they always send you a 20% off every now and then. I don't know how often they do it, because I forgot. But I'm sure I'll be checking my emails and I see it in there. And I'm like, I haven't shopped at this place in years. I used to work there in 2018. Yeah, that was my last job before my job now. So it's been 4 years. Yeah, so yeah. I've been in there in 4 years. I'm like, I never shopped there in 4 years. And I'm like, wow. I saw this. I'm like, yes, it's that's a sign. I need to go back in there. I need to go back in there and shop, because they have some nice stuff and some good deals, you know. But yeah, I'll put it on the screen for y'all. So this is Macy's, right? Macy's. I forgot what I bought, but I know I have something in there for my dad for Christmas. So I'm not showing that. Just in case this video goes up before then, I want to see what it is. So forgot what else is in here. Forgot what I bought. I don't know. I know they had sale, so I just bought some stuff. Some liquid stuff. Alright. Oh, okay, so these Tommy Hilfiger. Was it Tommy Hilfiger? I think it's Tommy Hilfiger WIGS and stuff. Everything. Oh, the jacket, they put it in the bag like this. Yeah, what about so big? Camouflage Tommy Hilfiger coat. Lord, it's looking big. I know he wear medium, right? I know my dad wear medium and like tops and sweaters and shirts and all that stuff. But I figured if it's a jacket, you get a size up, right? Because you need it to have room. You end up under, but this looks big. Let's hope if it's just some towels, just like some towels. And then there's a big Tommy Hilfiger bath towel. Yeah, and then hand towels. Hand towel and then a washcloth. 2 hand towels and a washcloth. And that's it for me, please. I'm putting it back in the box actually because that's a lot of stuff. It's too big. Oh, my pot set. I'm like, what the hell is this? Why I walk so heavy? This is my pot set that I'm going to open the box and make sure it is. I'll put it on the screen. I'm not about to take, okay. I guess I'll take it out and show you. I didn't really cook a lot this year, honestly. I didn't. I used to be in the kitchen non-stop. But, yeah. I don't cook as much anymore. But I'm about to get back into that. So I said I'm going to get me a new pot set. Which is it was on sale too. That also I'll put on the link, in the link below. So, nice little pot set. You know, nice little cookware. Tools of the trade. That's the brand. It's a stainless steel 13-piece cookware set. And it comes with 2 covered saucepans. 1 big one, 1 small one. Sure. So, and then it comes with a 5-quart stock pot. I'll make some soup in that with that one. And then it comes with an 8-inch fry pan. And then the other one comes with, and then the other one is a covered saute pan. And it comes with steamer insert to steam the vegetables. And it comes with 3 utensils. And then this. Oh, I'm like, what is this? Oh, my jacket. My last piece of item. This is from Saks and it's a Guess jacket. Black. That I ordered on their website. Ooh. I love how these jackets come on hangers. Like, thank you. This is it. This is the jacket. It's an extra large. Like I said, I know I gained some weight, so yeah, these are extra large. But this jacket will be only for this year because next year ain't gonna be this weekly, okay? Well, ain't gonna be this week at all. But even though it's extra large, it was big. I can't put a large. I was going back and forth. Look at this. It looks big. I bought the extra large because I was going back and forth about the sizes. I don't know how they cut and stuff. They cut big or small. Probably just needs a bit roomy for me. And at least I'll be able to wear sweaters or whatever under it. So, yeah, maybe it's good. So, that's the video. Hopefully I get to post it up soon. It is what it is. Roll with the punches, you know? If you liked anything in this video, I hope it's still available for you. I don't know. But hopefully it's still available for you. But I'll try my best to post every link in the description below. Hopefully I can find everything in my email or like the screenshots that I have. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like, I see a lot of views. The views are going up daily. But please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe. I can't wait to do like more detail vlogs or more or hauls or unboxing videos or just regular vlogs or vacation vlogs. I can't wait to do that. I can't wait to do vacation vlogs. I can't wait to start doing my installing of my wigs. I can't wait to do wig installs, like stuff like that. It's just because I'm backed up right now where I'm not focused on what else I could do because I have so much that I'm already doing. I want to get those out the way before I start like crashing myself with stuff too. So yeah, look out for those. And thank you guys for supporting. Thank you guys. I'm just glad that I finally started my channel because it's long overdue. I'm trying to be consistent. I'm trying, but yeah, sis work a 10 to 12 hour shift for sometimes 5 days a week, sometimes 6 days a week. So it's hard, but I work on my day off, and then sometimes they give us a bonus shift, and then I go where the money is. Okay, so so sometimes I'll be exhausted. I can't. That's why if you don't see a post up in 2 weeks, that's why. Yeah, thank you guys for support. Please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and I will see you guys in the next one.